All right, so we're gonna focus on foam rolling your adductors, or basically your like inner thigh muscles. So you're gonna place the foam roller straight down like so. You're gonna take one leg and make it really straight. So I'm gonna put my right leg straight. I'm gonna take my left leg and make it like an L from my hip to the floor. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically start with the roller on the side of my left knee. I'm not actually gonna be on the bone, but I'm gonna be right here. And I'm gonna take the roller, I'm gonna put a little bit of pressure there. I'm gonna roll all the way in to basically where, to where of course my leg meets my hip, and then roll back right there to where the knee is, just like so, alrighty? And I'd spend about, a minute, 2 minutes tops working this out, and you may find some, stuff that's more tender that's closer to the knee, stuff that's maybe more close to the hip, or something even in the middle. The other thing is you can kind of pin that down and kind of take the foot and go up and down just like so, and that'll add a little more pressure into that same side adductor and inner thigh. And you can kind of spend a little bit of time there until that releases, and then roll to another spot and take the foot, same thing, and move up and down, creating a little more pressure in that inner thigh. But I'd spend about 1 to 2 minutes on each leg, and then you're good to go. So this is how you foam roll your inner thigh.